suggest like people if anyone watch our videos, so they get knowledge, like they try to speak in this language these days. Lots of people are facing lots of issue ki how I start. So what they do first?
Firstly, you think a
Yeah,
very good
good afternoon.
afternoon. Yes,
How are you?
I'm good. What about you? Thank you for asking.
Yeah, I am also great. So first, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. So my name is Anima. I'm from Bokaro, Jharkhand, but currently staying in Pune because my husband is work here. That's why I'm a mother of one. I'm a homemaker as well as I'm a YouTuber like you.
Wow, it's amazing.
Thank
Okay,
you.
so like when did you started your English learning journey?
I have started my speaking journey last 5 months ago.
Wow, so you are speaking very good.
Yeah,
So what you did
I'm not
practice?
speaking very good. I'm just learner like you.
Like how you did practice? I want to know if anyone watch this video so they can get idea.
Yes, I'm just recording for myself as well as I'm talking with my son
Mhm.
and create environment at our home. That's it.
Okay, so
And
your husband.
whenever I get time, that time I'm connecting with co-learners like you.
Okay. Okay, so does your husband speak English like in your
Yes,
home environment?
yes. He speaks
Wow.
very well.
Yeah, that's why. That's why.
So
Like when.
nowadays, we are committed to each other. When we speak Hindi, that time we are punished to we are paid 5 rupees in one word. We are start doing this.
Wow, it's very good. I do. I just I just speak with my kids, and yeah,
Yes,
like co-learner, and I made my lots of English friend.
yes. The
Whenever I
kids
get.
are good partner for us.
Mhm. Like in
Speaking partner.
night, whenever I get time, like at 9:30, 10
Mhm.
o'clock, so we can make our conversation call and we
Like in
talk
audio or video.
audio. Most of the time we are use audio because in audio call we talk very long time and
Yes,
while doing a.
yes. In audio call, we have lots of advantage. Like in audio call, we do simultaneously more work at our home. But in video call, we are sitting in a place and we speak to each other. We are
Yes,
concentrating only one thing.
yes. So yeah, so that's why I'm using like audio call more.
Okay. So how was your challenge going now?
Yeah, it's going very good these days. Yeah, because I started my like uploading video there. So yeah, it's going very good, and yeah, I also feel good.
Okay, very nice. Yes. Whenever we got a subscriber as well as channel is going good, that time we feel also good.
Yeah, and while speaking, like we not script one day these days, so we speak like a fluently, like a fluency. So yeah, it's good for me and my channel also.
Yes. Yes, because our mouth is in Hindi environment. We are not comfortable in English. So we
Yes,
speak every day. That time we are comfortable.
yes,
When I think I notice one thing when we are speak in English. After that, our mouth is automatically. I think something else. My mind is in, no in English.
yes. And like if we speak Hindi, so suddenly English come our mouth, some
Yes,
word. Yeah.
yes. And
Uh,
one thing added in this video, when we are speak every day, after 1 and 2 days you are not speaking to anyone, then again when you start, then after that you will stuck and a
yes,
little bit fear in your mind.
yes. So what you suggest like people if anyone watch our videos, so they get knowledge, like they try to speak in this language these days. Lots of people are facing lots of issue ki how I start. So what they do first?
Firstly, you think that today I will start anyhow. Any difficulties are faces, after that we are start at least 15 minutes in a day. That is a good
Yes,
startup. When we
yes,
start our speaking journey, after that it will be good.
yes, yes. Because
Because
when.
before earlier started, I think that today I will start, today I will start, but today is not coming in our
Yeah, procrastinate like okay, today I not do, tomorrow I'll do.
So what do you think about consistency?
Yeah, consistency is very
Really,
important. If
consistency is really important for our speaking journey or not?
yeah, in and everything for important consistency. Like if you do any work, like you speak every day, it's very good. And you know, like you take child example, okay? Like he go every day school, and if he not go 2 and 3 days, so he again stop everything. So
Mhm.
yeah, same. It's a rule lagu for us. Ki if
Yes,
we
yes.
if we learn anything, so consistency is very important. And you know, we feel like I feel last yeah, on this in December I script my English practice, so yeah, I felt this very much. Consistency is very important.
Yes, whenever we are not doing anything for us, so that time we are not feeling well. Only we are cooking and we are doing for our household chores, we are doing for
Housework,
our families, but
yes.
we are not doing for ourselves anything. So that time at night we are thinking what we should do for myself.
And yeah, like if we not make video one day, we not upload one day, so we feel like, oh my god, we not do anything today.
Just missing something.
My practice.
Earlier 2 and 3 days I make videos, but I'm not uploading.
No, 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 just you start uploading video, you know, like if
Sometimes I
our
get
viewers.
demotivated. Sometimes I get
Mhm.
demotivated. I do, but I'm not getting subscriber. I'm not doing well for my channel. So I think that let's go. I will start for my speaking journey. At least I will improve myself.
Yeah, you know, subscriber give us power. Like if anyone subscribe our video, they like our video
Yes,
and they comment, so
that
we like gay power ki
motivated. Yes, yes.
yeah,
After
I
that
have to
time,
do.
we will do.
Yes,
But
yes, definitely.
but when we are not getting subscriber, that time we are demotivated. Chodo yaar. It's happened with
Don't
me
dis-
now.
you know, you know, like our subscriber, they wait ki ma'am uploading video and I watch video, so they wait for our videos, so you upload, and yeah, automatically viewers connect with.
When we got subscriber, that time we feel little bit proud for us.
Yeah, so
Little
like
bit, yes.
I have a subscriber more, one subscriber. Like anyone say कि बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है, तो like this कि we ठीक.
And yesterday someone told ki you got 600 plus subscriber. Then why you are left this? Why you are not continuing your journey? No, yaar. Sometimes I get demotivated. That's why.
No, 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 just you start like uploading video, and yeah, like if anyone watch your video and they get knowledge and they get okay, ma'am is doing, they love you, like they your smile, your
Yes,
speaking,
yes,
so yeah, they can follow you.
yes. Somehow we are improving. It's our motive.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so do you have any topic for discuss?
No, I haven't any topic. If you have, so you can
So we
discuss.
will discuss on technology because we have a less time, almost
Mhm.
it around 11
Mhm.
minutes.
Okay.
So we will discuss on short time uh, technology about technology. So you can start.
Okay, technology means like which technology? There are lots of technology.
Like phone, we are connect to each other in
Internet,
by the
internet.
help of technology. Yes, yes,
Okay. So you know, internet it very important role play our life, because you know, I am talking with you and I am learning English language because I have internet, a phone. and and like if you have internet, it means you a phone, so you have all word in your
yes,
hand. So if anyone, and if anyone use those things very very good for like I am using for learning this language and talking with people, and sometimes you know, it's very good for me, like I am very for my home I'm living.
mhm.
My I whenever I want to talk with my mama, papa, and my family members, so we can we can make video call, audio call. So it means I have phone and
Yes.
internet.
We are living in far, but we are in the same room, like in technology with the help of technology.
And it's some like a negative things ki, because these days children they are using lots of
Yes,
not
yes.
good health
Nowadays, every children are not eating in a bite without
mobile.
mobile.
Yes,
Even
so
I'm
it's
also facing this
not good
problem
that
of my son. Give me mama, give me mobile. After that, I feed. Otherwise,
and
deny.
we give mobile so they can eat fully paid. Otherwise,
Yes.
they can eat little
Okay. One
bites.
thing. That time, every mom's what they should do for our children, because when my son is feeding, that time he told me, give me mobile. That time we are it. Otherwise, no, I'm not eating.
Like
He's playing here and there. I'm also moving for uh, here and there. So that time, what we should
I
do?
like I have kids and what I am doing. You know what I that time I say ki, okay, mobile is not charged this time. Okay, I recite for a story for you, and I every day make new story for my kids, and I just start talking with them. And ki,
Mhm.
if you eat this your food, so मैं भेजूंगी बाहर खेलने के लिए. And if I made that story, so
Mhm.
जब so when I watch kids, so I have done this thing, I used to this thing,
But
I
sometimes, yes, sometimes they eat, but every time they not eat. They are not interested. No, ma'am. No, mama. Give me mobile. No, mama. Give me mobile. I'm not listening.
sometimes they do it same my kids also do.
Yes.
So I I'm watching, I am sitting with them,
When
and I just started
when
watching
he
video.
is start when he is start one time, mama, give me mobile. After whenever you not give the mobile, that time you repeat, irritated me.
Oh my, this habit my touch would my
Yes.
kids not like this. My
No, he is not watching, but he told me, "Ki mama, give me." That time, no, no, Bidu, this. So sometimes he is telling our school story or something else. He is very little now, so he's not understanding too much.
yes. So just give more and more time, because every mother like busy our life, they
Mhm.
do our house, and sometimes we use lots of phone. So whenever kids watching ki mama and papa, they are watching lots of phone, means they
Yes,
not
yes.
get. So like कि उनको ये लगता है कि नहीं ये करना चाहिए, and they
Mhm.
मजा भी
But
आता है.
when my son is free, that when I am not I'm free, I'm doing all my household work. After that, I'm get free. That time I'm not using mobile and anything. Now my son is going to school, so I'm take session. And when he came back, and after that, I'm not using phone. I'm only take care of my son, and I'm taking to time fully. Because when I start scrolling, that time, mama, give me mobile. And when we are playing to each other, that time he don't tell any words.
Yes. So kids they like कि वो देखते रहते हैं, least like just monkey की क्या parents कर रहे हैं, and
Yes,
same
they are copying.
हाँ same things they do. So मतलब उनका ध्यान divert means we have to कि हम लोग तो उनका ध्यान डाइवर्ट दूसरी तरफ करें. जैसे जब हम लोग खाना खाते हैं, तो व्हाट आई डू, व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, कि हम लोग एक जगह गैदर्ड होके सारे मींस एवरी फैमिली मेंबर एक जगह बैठ के और बातें करते करते अपन खाना खाते हैं. उसमें किड्स जो होते हैं वो सीखते हैं कि मतलब कैसे हमको खाना खाना है, क्या करना है. उस टाइम पे फोन ऑफ, मैं बोल देती हूँ कि नहीं फोन ऑफ करना है, इसके बाद आप देख लो, खाना खाने के बाद अगर आपको देखना है तो आप, बट जब तक आप भोजन करते हैं तो उसको फील करो कि हाँ मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. मुझे खाना खाना चाहिए, नहीं कि बस उधर फोन देख लगे और इधर मुंह चलाए जा रहे हो. तो या आई एम डूइंग दिस थिंग, एंड एवरीवन हैव देयर अलग अलग, सबका अलग अलग वो रहता है कि कौन कैसे मैनेज
Everyone has a
करता है.
different
एंड
time.
वो मम्मा जो होती है वो मतलब कैसे अपने बेटे को हैंडल करना है, दे कैन नो एवरीथिंग, दे
Yes,
नोस.
yes, correct. They are knowing very well how we are
यस
trick our son.
यस